So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan, man. I had to record this video real quick because I'm pumped, I'm hyped. Shout out to the dude, bro. Shout out to the dude. Okay, let me update y'all. Okay, once I was hit up on Instagram about my car, or the Orange Demon, being at a COPART and but I say Dallas, Texas, probably being at a COPART in Dallas, Texas. He said it's up for auction. I want to give you a heads up that it is going for sale. I was like, oh shoot, I appreciate it. Saw the pictures, brought back memories, man. I was like, dang. And then next thing he told me, it sold for $3,400 and it's still in Texas. So I'm chilling. A couple of days go by. I guess the dude finally got the actually dude who purchased it is a different dude that didn't tell me about it. You know, the main dude that told me about it was the one that saw it on the auction and saw my window stickers. And the dude who actually bought the car just hit me up, follow me on Instagram, sent me a Snapchat of my dude. I'm gonna put it in here somehow, bro. But it just pumped me up, meaning that he's gonna fix it up. I'm gonna get to see it on the road again. I'm gonna get to see him rebuild the Orange Demon. He may rename it, but bro, it just seeing it again, man. I'm just like, oh man. But I'm gonna put the link in there. But yeah, my car is sold for $3,400. Dude in Texas bought it. I don't know if I'm just saying this the dude. I don't know if he want his stuff out there like that because I haven't officially talked to him yet. But he did send me the video. That's why it's cool to have your window tags just in case, bro. So I just had to film something real quick because I'm pumped. Did a little screen record from his Snapchat that he sent me, man, and I'm just like, oh my God. The Orange Demon is gonna come back to life, bro. Yeah, its name may change, but damn, bro, because like really, like it just need the suspension is toast, bro. He had a whole wheel off with the arm, bro. So good luck, fam. I appreciate you for updating me, sending me that video, man. I'm just pumped. He updated me on the update y'all because, of course, the channel was built around my orange 09 Challenger, the Orange Demon. So I guess I will catch y'all later, man. I'm just a little pumped up a little bit. Day is going wonderful, man. So, hey, peace, y'all. I had to update y'all a little more, JJLEE squad. So I actually talked to the dude. I'll leave a link to his Instagram in the description, or the name of the Instagram in the description. Hit me up. I think he's in Houston, so not far from me at all, about 3 hours. He said he just want to let me know. He knows that, you know, of course he can see that I loved it. Saw some of the videos. He want to let me know he's gonna take care of it. He's probably gonna turbo it, nitrous. So he's gonna do way more than I ever could do with the Orange Demon. So I'm appreciative. I'm happy. That just pumped me up even more. He said, "Don't worry, bro. Your car is in good hands. It's gonna have a second life. So don't worry about nothing. I'll keep you updated. So whenever I'm updated, I'm gonna update y'all. And this is great news, bro. I just had to film this little part. The Orange Demon is being rebuilt, bro. It's being rebuilt 3 hours away from me. Like, you can't make that up, bro. And it's pretty awesome because now I can see it. The dude is chill. Y'all know I'm gonna record, so I'm gonna, like I said, the more he keeps me updated, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. So just stay tuned, man. Like it just came unexpected, bro. But I'm glad I had my window stickers, and I was really appreciative because the dude didn't have to hit me up. He didn't have, he didn't have to do anything, bro. But he sent me videos on Snapchat. Y'all see that in a second. He updated me. He asked me what I had done to it, and I showed him videos, sent him videos. Y'all know the tune, wide bodied it before, freaking headers, put the new tail lights and headlights on there. So I just filled him in all I did to it, and he said, "Dang, bro, you really have a lot done." I was like, yeah, man, I love that thing. And he could tell, but I just want to update y'all again on it, man. As y'all can see, bro, the Orange Demon is being rebuilt. That's the best news I can ever have. Because now it's in somebody else's hands that also loves cars. knows how to fix cars and can take care of it and can make it even faster than what it is. Because I told him, I was like, nothing was wrong with the engine. You have a perfect Hemi engine. No ticks, no knocks, no nothing. I changed the oil early every time for synthetic, and it's on 93. So he's pumped up. He said he said 2 or 3 months. He should have it up and going, bro. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm staying tuned. The moment he get it fixed, bro, either I'm gonna ask, can he drive down here? Cause I know everybody want to see the Orange Demon again. Or I'm gonna just go down there, film it, record it. But I'm just hyped. I just wanted to end this video off. I already uploaded the video today. Just asked for wheel ideas, but this came left field, bro. Like, dang. Like, I'm really excited for what he's gonna do to it, because now I get to see it and keep updated. You know, keep getting updates. But I just like go ahead and end this video, man. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. It is almost 12 o'clock. I just wanted to end this off because I wanted to go ahead and start rendering this video so I can let y'all know. Post that little video in there, but y'all hear that? Let me put it up a little. That's the new mod for the Scat Pack. But that's it on that. But anyway, man, thank y'all for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Y'all won't see no pop-ups or nothing in this video because I want to upload this, get it to y'all, tell y'all the good news, man. The Orange Demon is coming back. I don't know if he's going to keep the name, the Orange Demon, but I don't care. As long as I see that baby rolling, I'm happy. And y'all will see it rolling too. So thank y'all for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Your boys out, man. That's it.